everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Bowtique and welcome back to my channel. I have been on a little bit of a break. My grandmother did pass away in April, and with the state of the world, things have been a little chaotic and work has been crazy, and I just haven't had the time to record, so I apologize and I thank you for coming back, and I'm excited to have you. I'm super behind on unboxings because what have I been doing during quarantine? Shopping online, perhaps excessively. So I continue my Boxycharm subscription. I also started 2 new subscriptions to Walt Life and Keto Crate, and those are completely out of my pocket. Nobody's sponsoring me. I'm not getting any kickbacks. Nothing's for free. But I have 3 months worth of Boxycharm that I have not opened because I needed to make videos. So I don't even know what month this is, to tell you the truth, but we're gonna get into it and then we'll get started. So let's hold up the good old Boxycharm box, and she's sealed up. I have not opened her in 3 months, or if this was last month, I don't know what month that was. I'm just super behind. But we're gonna check out what it is. I do have the website pulled up because they have converted to everything online. So like the card that used to be in the box that tells you how much each thing is and what it is now online. So since I have no idea what month this is, we're gonna figure it out together. Dun, da, da, da. Oh, wait. Okay, there is a card, but it's just like for shopping. It's just garbage. What is this? This is an advertisement for makeup eraser. So it's still not that card that used to come in the box. So here we go. This is this month. I have no idea what month that is. Bear with me. I'm going to pull up the website and see what month this might be. Let's try April. I don't know. Okay, this looks like April's box. Okay, this is April's box that we're going to be looking at. All I have on is foundation and concealer. I did put a little lip balm, not lip balm, lip gloss. Put a little lip gloss on, but I selected this package. When I selected this, you can customize each month and you can customize your preferences, and I asked for mainly makeup. So that's why whenever I do a Boxycharm review, I'm always going to have like my eyes not done, bronzer is not going to be on, blush is not going to be on, highlighter, because I'm hoping I'll get it in the package and then we'll learn about it and go over it together. So this is this month. We'll go ahead and dive in and get started. Okay, so first off, we have pores instantly appear smaller. Oh girl, I need that. I need my pores to look non-existent because they are there. This is, oh, it's by Benefit. I like Benefit. Benefit is a good brand. And so smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. Well, I already have concealer and foundation on, so I'm not going to take my makeup off to use this, but let's check it out. Comes in a little tube. Okay. Silky lightweight face primer minimizes the look of pores and fine lines and helps makeup stay put. Apply all over for smoother than smooth skin, or touch up over makeup on pore problem areas. My issues is like my nose. My nose comes through hard with the pores, and I can't stand it. So, ooh, there's some statistics on here. 97% said skin looked smooth. 91% said it minimized pore appearance, and 93% said it helped makeup stay put. Okay, well, I'm going to have to for sure try that next time I put on makeup. I also did not open it correctly. You open it from the front. Okay, and it says, your secret weapon against pores. The Pore Professional Action Figure includes pore zapping ray gun. I'm not really sure, but it's cute. So how much is this on the website? Let's take a look. So this retails for $32. Now keep in mind, Boxycharm is like $25 a month, and you're supposed to get more than either $100 or $150 worth of items every month. So Benefit's not a cheap brand. So $32, I can totally understand this costing. So that's our first item. Next, we have some brushes. I'm taking a look on the website. So these are $29.99. They are Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection. So it comes in like this little plastic container. And let's get the brushy brushes out. So it definitely is an eye set. They're small brushes. I will definitely try them out on some eyeshadow. So these retail for $29.99. There's a spoolie on the end of this one. And then just different size brushes. There's like an angle brush for, okay, it says brow groomer. Yes, I guess this is a brow groomer. And this one is eye shading. I don't totally know how to use eyeshadow. If you've seen in my other videos, I try. Doesn't mean I'm doing it right. This is a fine liner. And then this one is tapered blending. And this one is a pencil. I have no idea what you use a pencil for. I'm not going to lie. So that's kind of cute in this little kit. And they just look, they're soft. They're definitely soft. I mean, they feel like eyeshadow brushes. I mean, I use the Morphe X Jeffree Star eyeshadow brushes. So I only have one set, so I'll definitely use these. But I'm going to give them a try. Okay, what is this? This is Sunset, the original makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. I think this was what, yeah. So this is what this advertisement was for that came. It says, bye-bye makeup wipes forever. 1.3 billion wipes used daily. And it takes 100 years for a makeup wipe to break down. Holy crap, I did not know that. I do use makeup wipes to take my makeup off. So Makeup Eraser is dedicated to creating the most sustainable makeup remover product in the world. It's a code to get like extra 20% off of this. So all you do is add water, I guess. See, I've never tried these because I'm like, how is just water going to take my makeup off when a makeup remover has all the products in it to get it off? So here, whoa, there's a little paper insert. So it says wash, machine wash with hot with your towel load, fabric softener, dryer sheet, and dryer safe. Soak in warm water. The warmer, the wetter, the better. Okay. Use the short fiber side to erase makeup in gentle circular motions. Flip to long fiber side with tag, which is this side, to exfoliate. Continue in gentle circular motions. So this is the exfoliate side. If you can see the difference, this has the longer, and then this is like the soft microfiber side. It's cute. It's very perfect for like summer and spring. And how much does this retail for? This retails for $20. Now, I have seen makeup wipes like this, like at Walmart for $10. So I don't know. I mean, I would never honestly pay $20 for a cloth because that's what it reminds me of. But I'm interested to try this out. It's very soft. It feels like chenille, just very soft fabric. And I have makeup on, so I'm not taking it off because I need to experiment. Next up on the list is beauty sponges, Hank and Henry. Let me put these up close for you to see. So let's see how much these retail for. Hank and Henry Midori Sponge Duo, they do look like a Midori melon, is $23 retail. So you have a small one. I think you're really supposed to use these for like contouring. And then you have a normal spongy sponge. So it doesn't, let me click on them and see what it says about it. So $23 is quite a bit for two sponges. So, and then last but not least, okay, we have a glass bottle. Very nice. Elemis Superfood Sika Calm Hydration Juice. Super Hydrating Gel. Oh, okay. So it says, this cooling hydrator packed with fruit waters and antioxidant-rich Sika. I don't know how to say it. C-I-C-A? I'm good. I sound really stupid. Helps to visibly calm skin. Apply every morning to cleanse skin. If contact with eyes occur, rinse well. Okay. So this is something I would put on before foundation, before everything. So Not going to try it on this video, but maybe I'll do a follow-up to this video since this is all products that I would need to like try out myself afterwards. So this would be a good box to describe as barefaced, right? And then I would use it. Or if I had all my makeup on, then I could wash it off. So I'll have to give it a whirl. So let's see. I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator because I can't add. And see how much everything really costs. So we've got this Midori Sponge Duo, okay, right? That's $23. And then, oh my gosh, the Elemis, I totally forgot to just tell you how much this is. This little bad boy is $48 is what it retails for. $48. Elemis Superfood, Sika, Kaika, I don't know. $48. So 23 plus 48. So we got that plus the benefit. So the benefit's 32 as a reminder. And then we have, whoops, where'd it go? The 5-piece neon eye brush set at $29.99. And then we have the original makeup eraser in Sunset for $20. Did I get everything? I did. So what is my total? Oops. $152.99 is what everything comes out to. So I paid $24.99 for this box. And again, this is something I am just paying for out of my own pocket. I don't have a sponsorship. I'm not getting like any kickback. I would love a kickback, Boxycharm. If you want to have me be an ambassador and hook me up with a discount, I would gratefully do that. So this was April's Boxycharm. We are in June, almost July, so there's 1 month that I'm already behind. Something exciting that I want you guys to keep your eyes out for, I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway. And I'm not talking like 1 or 2, 3 things. I'm talking palettes. I'm talking handmade hair bows. I'm talking matcha under eye masks, creams, body scrubs, jade rollers, Jeffree Star palettes. Like, it's going to be huge. So I need you to keep your eyes out for it. There's going to be multiple ways to enter. To get started on my giveaway, what I'm going to do is do something a little different. So, I need you guys to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. But what I'm going to be doing is giving away a $10 gift card to Amazon at the end of each video. And so what you need to do is make sure that you're subscribed and you have that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Watch the video, and then the Amazon gift card code will be inserted somewhere in the video. And whoever has watched to that point, wherever it shows up in the video, could be in the beginning, could be in the middle, could be in the end. But you got to watch the video. The code will appear above me. And then what you do is take your fast little fingers and type that code into Amazon, and boom, you get a $10 gift card courtesy of Wonderland Bowtique. So if you're not following me on Instagram and Facebook, make sure you're doing that. Everything will be linked down below because I will be posting about this giveaway. It's huge. I need some help growing my channel, and I would love to have more followers on Instagram and Facebook and help, join the Wonderland Boutique community. So what's your next step? Make sure you're subscribed and you've hit the notification bell icon so you can be alerted the next time I upload a video. Watch the video and wait for that Amazon gift card code to appear. Again, you don't know where it's going to come in. It could come in at any point in the video. So then you run over to your computer, type in the code. Whoever gets the code first gets the gift card. And then that gift card is gone. I'm going to do a couple of those, so that's why you definitely need to be subscribed and refer a friend, share this video with others. I would greatly appreciate it. So I hope you enjoyed this Boxycharm backlog, if you will. More to come. And then I appreciate your time today, and I hope you get some entries into the giveaway. So this is Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.